Friends, welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we made a prototype tester using project board for Optocoupler ILQ5, and in this video we will assemble it on this Vero board. I will use this 16-pin base IC socket, and we will place the cut side, that is here on the board one side. So under this cut, this pin will considered as pin number 1 and last pin 8, and here pin number 16. Pin 1, 4, 5 and 8. We will connect resistors and we will connect one side common together, and we will give a push button. And here at each emitter, pin number 9, 12, 13 and 16, we will connect 1 kilo ohm resistor in series with LED. These are LEDs, sorry. I soldered one pin, and here I will solder the second pin. Pin number 1, resistor, and we will bend it, and we will leave at least 2 spaces. Now the next resistor is at pin number 5. Next at the last 8 number pin. Now we will bend it in this way, and we will install the resistor at 16, 13, 12 and 9. The same way we will leave 2 spaces. In the right side we will place the LEDs. For LEDs, the anode side we will connect to the resistor side, and we will test the LEDs. It is a best practice. Sometimes the LED is bad. Now we will install the long lead, the anode lead, to the IC side. And we will make common to these all LEDs. Now we will make common to all of these LEDs. Now we will connect the anodes of the LEDs to each resistor. Now we will connect all the resistors to the pin of IC socket. Now we will connect all the collectors together, 14, 15, 10 and 11. Now I am making the common. I will make a jumper for the collectors, and we will make jumper for the emitters, emitter to emitter jumper. Now I will place a push button here so that we can inject a test signal here, and I will connect one end to the resistor one end. Now I am connecting these positive voltage which are at the collectors to the switch one end here, and we will connect this ground to these LEDs. And now we will connect a power indicator that the power is present. For that purpose we will connect one resistor here at the positive, and we will connect one LED. Now I connected a power input. I will connect ground side here to the LED negative side. Now we assembled the circuit, and I connected 2 jumpers here to apply power. This one is positive and this one is ground. I am using 12 volts. If you will connect in the good direction, power LED will indicate that the power is connected and it is in good direction. If you will connect in reverse direction, suppose even the IC is installed or not installed, no problem. So we need to reverse the polarity. Okay, power is applied. I will take any one ILQ5 IC, and I will align pin number 1 to pin number 1 here and press the test button. The first LED is off. Channel 1, that means this IC is not good. We will use another IC. Install it. All the channels are working. That means this IC is good. We will use this. We will use another IC. The last optocoupler channel, pin number 16, that is not working. All channels are good here. This one, the third channel, is not good. So in this way we can verify the optocoupler ICs very easily. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.